everyone, it's Marcus here from the KENWOOD training team, and in today's highlighted installation video, we are featuring the STZ-RF200WD installed into a 2022 BMW S1000RR. So stay tuned as we show you the highlights of this installation and some of the footage that we captured. So let's get into it. We start this installation with removing the plastic panels from the side of the tank and the rear tail section. With all of that out of the way, we now have room to run our wires to each of the components' final locations and maintain that factory OEM appearance. The bottom area of the rear tail section makes a perfect location for the main control box. It will make it easy to access the SD card simply by removing the passenger seat. So let's go ahead and stick it down using the 3M tape. We mount the GPS antenna in front of the gas tank here. Next, we mount the control switch on top of the triple tree. This location provides a clear view of the status LEDs and allows the rider quick access to the controls. Now we move on to the front camera setup. We wanted to capture the rider's perspective, and we chose to stick the camera down just in front of the gas tank. We now repeat the process for the rear camera. Here, we wanted to capture the exhaust and the rear tire all in one frame, so we decided on mounting it to the side of the bike to get that perfect angle. With the components mounted, we make all the connections and tidy up the wires, and we are ready to make our system adjustments using the smartphone app. The final step is starting the bike, setting the STZ-RF200WD in Wi-Fi mode, and connecting to the KENWOOD Motorsports Cam app. There, we can adjust our front and rear cameras on the preview displayed in our smartphone. While using the grid lines, it helps us line up the front camera for the perfect angle. And now that we are happy with the view, we secure the front camera, locking it in place. Switching to the rear camera, we just repeat this process. Once we're happy with the view here, all we need to do is use the supplied Allen key to tighten down the camera. With the install complete, let's take a look at the final results. The compact components do little to take away from the sporty look of the bike. And the location of the DVR box underneath the rear seat make it easy to access the SD card for future use. That brings us to the best part. Let's check out the footage.
KENWOOD.